Can forensic sound analysis pinpoint your strange noises? Imagine hearing a mysterious bang or a faint whisper in your home and wondering what caused it. Could a simple recording reveal the secret behind those odd sounds? Forensic sound analysis is a technique that experts use to examine audio recordings with high precision. It involves special tools and software that can filter out background noise, making the strange sound clearer. These tools include high-resolution microphones and advanced programs that can enhance the audio and even create visual representations of the sound waves. By analyzing these visuals, specialists can identify patterns or anomalies in the noise. For example, if you record a creak, forensic sound analysis can help determine if it's caused by a loose floorboard, a settling house, or maybe a mechanical part like a heating system. The process starts with capturing a clear recording using a smartphone or a dedicated audio recorder. Then, the audio is processed with software that filters out unwanted sounds and highlights the specific noise. Techniques like spectrographic analysis turn sound into visual patterns, making it easier to compare and identify. Experts can interpret these patterns to figure out the source of the noise. They might compare the sound to known mechanical noises or environmental sounds, helping you understand what's happening. However, the quality of the recording matters. If the sound is faint or intermittent, it can be harder to pinpoint the exact cause. Still, forensic sound analysis can provide useful clues that, combined with other checks, can help solve the mystery. For example, if a strange knocking happens at night, recording it and analyzing the sound might reveal it's caused by a faulty pipe or a loose window frame. This technique is like having a detective's ear that can pick apart even the tiniest sound clues. It's a fascinating way to explore the quirks of your home and understand those unexplained noises better. Using forensic sound analysis can turn a puzzling noise into a clear story, helping you feel more confident about what's going on inside your walls.